Make chicken spaghetti. Who doesn't love spaghetti? It is a very versatile dish that everyone, including children, love. As spaghetti has become common, each person may have his own take on how to cook it. Some like it sweet, some loaded with cheese, and some with chicken. Yes, chicken. Imagine another all-time favorite being added to a classic spaghetti recipe. Your kids will not get enough of it. Take a break from the usual ground beef in tomato sauce spaghetti and substitute chicken. This is a very easy and delicious recipe you have to try. To know how chicken spaghetti is cooked, read the instructions below. Materials you will need: 1 pound pack of spaghetti noodles, 1 pack of chicken breasts, usually with 2 or 3 chicken breasts per pack, 1 pack of chicken legs, 1 1/2 cups of celery, chopped 1 large onion, chopped 1 can of button mushrooms, 1 medium green bell pepper, 15 ounces of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 cup of ripe olives, 2 teaspoons of cooking oil, salt, pepper, cheddar cheese. Prepare your ingredients. The first thing you have to do is to rinse all the chicken you will use for this recipe. Make sure you drain them well after. Chop the button mushrooms into half, and slice the bell pepper, onion, and celery. Get a stockpot. Fill the stockpot with cold water and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Place the chicken breasts and chicken legs inside. Place the stockpot on the stove over medium heat. Let it boil for a few minutes or until the meat starts to fall off the bones. Chop the meat into small pieces. Remove the chicken bones and skin. Remove the stockpot from the stove and drain them from the broth. Keep the broth though, as you will use it to cook the noodles. When the chicken is cool enough to hold, take each piece of the chicken breasts or legs and take off all the bones and skin. Cook the noodles. In a separate pot, fill it again with the chicken stock. Add water if need be. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 2 teaspoons of salt. Place it under medium heat until it boils. As it starts to boil, place the noodles in the pot. Wait until the noodles become al dente. A healthy alternative to usual noodles is by using whole wheat noodles. It has the same taste, but will require longer cooking time, as whole wheat noodles take longer to soften. Once the noodles are cooked, get a strainer to drain it. Cook the sauce. As you are waiting for the noodles to be cooked, start making the sauce. In a large pan over medium heat, sauté the onions, celery, bell pepper, and mushroom in oil. Add the tomato sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and 1 cup of water. Add the olives and 4 cups of grated cheddar cheese. Combine the noodles and sauce. In a large serving plate, mix the noodles and the sauce together. You can place it in an oven-proof dish as well. Top it with more cheese and bake it until the cheese completely melts. This dish is best served with garlic bread.